This is what an angry intellectual looks like. I'm angry that politicians in my supposedly democratic government have taken away my democratic freedoms of speech and other freedoms just because they don't know any better, and because they are intellectually dishonest ideologues who don't know how to think logically nor scientifically, and they don't have the foggiest clue where human rights and democratic freedoms come from, nor how to maintain them. As a lifelong learner and educator, sometime professor, I do, however, believe that education is the answer to such problems which are rooted in ignorance and lack of a proper human rights education. So to solve this problem, I have put together the most pertinent facts of human rights history, science, and logic in my various books: Democracy 101, Pro-Life Equals Pro-Democracy, Killing Humans is Wrong. I couldn't put a finer point on what my Prime Minister doesn't get. And No Fruit Without Roots. We cannot keep the wonderful fruits of human rights and democratic freedoms without their traditional pro-life roots in traditional Western values. Go to William Baptiste, humanrightsandfreedomsforever.com to learn more, to make donations for democracy, or to order Pro-Life Equals Pro-Democracy or other books featuring William Baptiste's human rights education for lasting free democracy. Tell your elected representatives that they should get a human rights education and constitutionally enshrine equal human rights for all humans, to ensure free democracy weathers current worldwide creeping totalitarianism, to ensure free democracy lasts for our children and grandchildren.